In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Circle.so, a crucial step for enhancing your website's branding. The favicon, a small icon visible in your browser tab, is often a visitor's first impression of your brand. So let's make sure yours is both memorable and professional. To get started, you'll want to navigate over to Circle.so and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is to locate the community dropdown. This drop-down menu is typically found in the top section of your dashboard interface. Clicking on this menu will give you access to various options related to your community settings, which is where you'll need to be. Once you've accessed the drop-down, look for the Site Builder option and click on it. The Site Builder is a powerful tool within Circle, so that allows you to customize the design and presentation of your site in a user-friendly manner. It's a great resource for tailoring the specifics of how your community site looks and feels to visitors. Next, you'll want to select the specific page you're interested in customizing with a favicon. This step is crucial, especially if you have multiple pages associated with your community. Picking the right page will ensure that the changes you make are applied exactly where you want them to be. After choosing the page, it's time to focus on design. You'll find a design icon which you'll need to click on to open up a new world of customization options. Here, you can manage various aspects of your site's look, but for today, we'll concentrate on adding that all-important favicon. Within the design area, look for the Manage Brand option. Clicking here will open up additional settings specifically targeted at managing your community's brand presentation. You're almost there. The next task is to navigate to the Favicon tab. This is the section where all things related to your favicon are managed, including uploads and updates. At this step, uploading the favicon file is key. When selecting your favicon, consider its visibility and recognizability. It should represent your brand effectively even at small sizes. Once the file has been uploaded, you'll want to finalize everything by clicking Update Site Theme. This action will save your changes and apply the new favicon across your community pages. Congratulations, you've now successfully added a favicon to your Circle.so site. This small but significant change can greatly enhance the professional appearance and brand recognition of your site. Remember, a consistent and recognizable favicon can help leave a lasting impression on your site's visitors. Thank you for following along and happy branding!